In our first experiment, we taught AI how to walk. It was a success, but the real world isn't flat. Today we throw our blind walker into an obstacle course. 3 barriers, 0 vision. Can evolution solve what it cannot see? The robot cleared the first barrier and climbed onto the second, but then evolution hit a dead end. We fine-tuned the reward and penalty system to force more aggressive exploration, and now we're trying again. For the third attempt, we pushed the hardware to its absolute limit. We increased motor torque by 400%, widened the leg joint limits for better reach, and added a high-frequency oscillator to keep the robot moving in a rhythmic gait. It became faster and more aggressive. But even here, evolution has reached a deadlock. This is its limit. Without eyes, it cannot calculate a safe jump, and the reach of its legs is simply not enough to step over this barrier. We failed to conquer the third obstacle.